Ay, mukhang mga Inglesero to.
Yes, and I met a lot of people, and the Japanese guys, they're so handsome. Like, what the hell? Who are you with? Oh, I was with my cousin.
Is this seat vacant?
What? Yeah, obviously.
Yeah, but you should sit over there.
Girl.
Hais, ang hirap naman. Puro English pala mga tao dito. Di man lang ako nakapaghanda.
Okay, so class, can you give me your stand regarding the political dynasty here in the Philippines?
Hala, alam ko to eh. Pinag-aralan namin to dati. Isa din yan sa paksa na ginawa ko nung nagtalumpati ako para subukan ng wika.
Oh, English only guys ha.
Ano ba yan? Palagi na lang English.
Sir, I can answer. So, political dynasty can be described as a family with at least two of its members securing at least one elected...
Totoo nga na hindi lahat na nag-i-English ay tama. Di naman ganun yun eh. Hais, naisahan na naman.
Okay class, so group yourselves into 6 members and I want you to write an English essay about political dynasty.
Hala, paano yan? Ako lang mag-isa? Baka hindi naman ako ayain maging kagrupo ng mga yun eh.
Hey, vacant girl. Vacant girl.
Ah, ako ba?
Obviously. Do you want to join us?
Yeah, sure.